Hi everyone, welcome to this new video, and as always put this video on 1x or 2x so that you can save time, and also hit the subscribe button so that I stay motivated to put out more videos. This is a really interesting video that I'm getting into. It was an experiment that I was running for the last 10 or 20 days. um, so the objective was that I have been active on Twitter, as you can see, for about the last 1.5 years or 2 years. Almost for the 2 years, I have been putting out tweets on a daily basis. Imagine that every day. I've just missed maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 maximum 4 to 5 days in the entire 1.5 period time. I managed to put out at least one tweet every day. So that was the just my mantra that on how I just wanted to explore Twitter, and I decided that okay, I should be putting out tweets on a daily basis so that I can learn more about the platform. I started with LinkedIn. I got some kind of traction on LinkedIn, and then I thought that okay, I shouldn't be putting all my eggs in one platform. I should also be investing in a platform like Twitter too, right? So that's how I started Twitter. And as you can see, I've got about 1500 followers. And the way that I used to get followers was by engaging with other people, finding out people who are in the same niche, that is marketing, digital marketing, etc., and maybe following them if I find them interesting, engaging with them so that they will also come back to my profile and view my stuff and maybe give me a follow back, all this stuff, right? It was really hectic. Also, I had a very small follower. I had a very small target of getting at least 100 new followers every month. Just that. I didn't want to stress myself, just that goal. So, but in order to get to the goal, I was just spending a lot of manual time trying to increase my followers rate, but I had enough of that, right? And what I decided was that I need to find out an automated way to get followers, not by buying bots or um, follow for follow or anything like that. Um, I wanted to figure out a really good way in which I get the right audience, right? I'm looking for people who are interested in marketing and things like that, to follow me, to create a community around that. That's my goal. So I just wanted to get those people. I didn't want to get any kind of bots or anything like that. So I was thinking, and I came across yeah, Twitter's ad platform, which I thought was really cool. And what I did was that I just put out about $1 a day, and I started running ads. Actually, this is the Twitter's ads manager, and they have this particular ad set which will get you followers, right? Which is actually optimized to get you followers. Tada, right? So I thought that why shouldn't I use it for my clients, etc., but why shouldn't I shy away from doing that, right? Sometimes what I feel is that a lot of people tend to just focus on the organic part of things, but if you can, everyone can afford to spend $1 a day, right? Why can't you do that too, and I know that it might feel like you're buying followers, but I'll talk about that on a later stage. But I'll show you the results, right? Yes, you can see I have spent almost $15. I got 62 followers here. um, and my cost per follow is just 0.25. That is about 15 to 16 rupees, right? By spending just 15 to 16 rupees, this is my first experiment. I'm getting a follower, and that is not just random followers. um, in that interest and in the regions, I've just specifically given someone who likes marketing, who likes entrepreneurship, etc., right? So these are pre-qualified followers. This is not just random guy using Twitter, but it's my actual follower itself. And I wanted to make sure that uh, I get the right follower, and I'll show you what I did in order to get that. It's that I didn't want to get followers somehow. I wanted to make sure that they understand my story, they know who I am, then only follow, then only they want to follow me, right? Otherwise, it's just a follower, nobody cares, right? Nobody knows about me. So that's why I created this copy and this creative. Um, so this was the caption of the ad. It basically says my entire journey as a marketer in the last 4 to 5 years or 6 years, right? I've just basically said that I run a digital marketing agency called Blue Stick Media with 30 plus employees and has worked with 75 plus clients, including billion dollar startups and corporates across 4 continents. Simple, right? I'm just social proofing myself. I run an agency, I have 30 plus clients, employees, I have 75 plus clients. uh, I work with billion dollar startups, corporates across 4 continents, right? That's one sentence that's gonna give me so much credibility that uh, in digital marketers or people who are interested in entrepreneurship, right? That's gonna give me a lot of credibility. Then, so credibility is not enough. People need a push, right? And I say that I will be sharing my insight on marketing and sales via daily tweets on this account. Follow, stay updated. So the value, okay, it's good that I have done all these things, but why should people follow me? That's the thing that I'm sharing here. I'm sharing that I'll be sharing insight on marketing and sales via daily tweets. Daily I'll be putting out tweets related to marketing and sales, right? And in order to get that, follow me. And I'm also making that thing as huge as possible, right? I'm just again saying that follow me for daily tweets on marketing. So the CTA, the call to action, I'm stressing it around a lot, and I've seen a lot of people missing out on that, right? They're shying away from actually doing a proper CTA, call to action. Here, my goal is to get followers, and my CTA should be to get, my CTA should be around that, should be really asking people to follow me, right? So I did that, and uh, it's kind of working out for me, right? And you can go to what you say Canva, and you can easily you can select Twitter template. You can easily create this. And for the next, my next goal will be to beat out this point, um, what is it, to 5 result, right? I need to bring it down to, I'm trying to look at my next goal will be to get a follower for 0.15, get the right follower, not any random follower, get the right follower for 0.15, right? So in order to get there, I'm trying to beat out this campaign by doing something with some incentives, right? So I thought that I still only want marketers, so I thought that okay, every month I'll be giving away a marketing book for new followers, right? And I just want to stress it out as visually as possible. Follow me, and you're going to win a marketing book every month, right? So I've just created that, and I've just started running it. I haven't got the results yet, so I'll be updating the results in the comments or in my Twitter itself, maybe. So you can follow me on Twitter, and also I tweet a lot of threads, my experiences, etc., on marketing and sales. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, it will be great. And also, as always, um, subscribe. And I'm also planning to come up with a lot of experiments like this, right? Some experiments that I'm running, some thought experience, some mental models that I'm running on for myself, so that you don't make the same mistakes, right? So hit the like button, comment and share, so that um, this gets more views, and also so that you also get my next video, right? Thank you.